Hi, my name is Elena Castrillo, and I am the coordinator of the project that I'm going to present you below, along with my colleagues Nimubona and Juan Bello. Our project, Vet to Stop Deforestation, is a capacity building project in the field of vocational education and training. As an Erasmus project, it is co-funded by the European Union. The project consortium is made up of three vocational training centers in Burundi, three in Spain, and one in Turkey. The General Directories of Vocational Training of Burundi and Castilla y León in Spain, PAECH, which is an institution that promotes employment for youth and groups of people with less opportunities in Burundi, and two small companies, one from Radak in Burundi and the other, Nirudi, from Dieudonné in Spain. Erasmus capacity building projects aim to support VET institutions and systems in promoting socioeconomic development in countries not associated with Erasmus Plus program. In our case, the chosen country is Burundi.
Hello, I am Dr. Dieudonné Nimubona Rukundo. I am agronomy engineer and doctor in food science and technology from the University of Valladolid in Spain. Burundi is a landlocked country located in the Great Lakes region of East Africa, bordered by Rwanda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. With a total land area of 27,830 square kilometers, it is one of the smallest countries in Africa. Despite its size, Burundi is home of approximately 13 million people, resulting in high population density of 439 inhabitants per square kilometer. Importantly, more than 75% of Burundi's population is under the age of 35, positioning the country as one of the youngest in the world. Burundi faces a critical challenge related to deforestation, primarily driven by the increasing demand for firewood and charcoal for household cooking. As trees are cut down, often in protected areas such as the Rusizi Natural Reserve and the Kibira National Park, the environmental consequences are severe. In Burundi, nearly 98% of the population relies on firewood and charcoal as their sole source of energy for cooking. This widespread dependence on biomass fuels not only accelerates deforestation and environmental degradation, but also contributes to health hazards due to indoor air pollution, particularly affecting women and children. Solar cookers are particularly impactful in regions with high solar irradiance like Burundi, offering cost savings, environmental protection, and improved public health. By harnessing solar energy for dire cooking needs, communities move towards energy autonomy and contribute to climate resilience. Solar cookers are designed to transform solar radiation into thermal energy, offering a renewable, clean, and cost-free cooking solution. Sunlight is an inexhaustible and decentralized energy source, making it accessible to all communities, regardless of infrastructure or income. These devices generate no smoke, reducing household air pollution, a major health risk in rural areas heavily dependent on firewood and charcoal. The solar cookers are designed using a simple, low-cost manufacturing technology that is highly suitable for the local context of Burundi. The production process requires basic tools and locally available materials, allowing for decentralized fabrication by trained local technicians. This approach promotes skill development, boosts local entrepreneurship, and reduces reliance on foreign technologies, fostering community ownership and long-term sustainability.
Specifically, the objective of the deforestation project is to design a vocational training course on solar cooker manufacturing adapted to the Burundian educational system and inspired by the European qualification framework. The project's working approach is to design the course curriculum and the workshop required to teach the classes, train teachers to teach the course, develop teaching materials to support them, implement a workshop prototype, and finally organize a pilot course to evaluate all of the above.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bello from A Coruña, Spain. Vocational training teacher since 1985, specialized in bioconstruction. At present, I am retired. I have been using solar cookers as a teaching tool since 1993. My academic background, technical architecture. Project implementation, meeting in Bujumbura, Burundi. Opening ceremony. Solar cookers in operation. Cooking with the sun seems to be interesting. Pieces to assemble 5 solar ovens designed for Burundi by Xavier Rivas and manufactured with wood at CFIP Someso in A Coruña, Spain. Showing the model FB55 Travel. For the solar cooker reflector becomes an airline cabin case. Tasting the most popular recipe, beans. Elaboration of theoretical and methodological support materials. Noting observation related to the learning processes. Cooking traditional foods, beans, sweet potatoes, eggplants, potatoes, tomatoes, rice and vegetables. Other activities in Burundi, exhibition of solar cookers in urban areas. Exhibition of solar cookers in rural areas. Cooking with the sun on the hotel terrace. Analyzing locally manufactured models by Radak CO. Adaptation of models to the country's circumstances. Visiting project partners' facilities. Low-cost solar cookers manufacturing workshop at the Polytechnic University of Gitega. Solar cooking demonstration at Gitega University. Meeting in A Coruña, Spain. Exhibition of solar cookers at CFIP Someso. Solar cooking demonstration with the collaboration of students during the last week of November. Each student cooks different ingredients using old glass jars. Enjoying a meal together.
Vegetable deforestation is neither an NGO nor a development cooperation project dedicated to implementing solar cooker in Burundi. It is a project in which teachers from 3 different countries collaborate to design a vocational training course for solar cooker in Burundi.
As conclusion, solar cookers utilizing direct sunlight offer a sustainable and clean alternative to biomass fuels, reducing indoor air pollution and the pressure on forest resources.
Conclusions. It is necessary to add with all types of solar cookers, from very low cost to moderate investment for families. Even solar cookers for collectives with institutional support. Solar cookers can be an excellent educational tool for environmental awareness and health improvement. The success of this project could be the first step for Burundi to become a reference for other countries.